structure and I explain Niti Aayog functions of Niti Aayog.
Hi, my name is Shoaib Palekar and I am going to explain the structure of Niti Aayog and difference between Planning Commission and Niti Aayog.
Hello, my name is Jay. I am going to explain features of economic planning, table of 5-year plan, and pillars of India.
Hi, my name is Adesh. I am going to tell you about 12 years planning of India.
My name is Mohammed Akhtar and I am going to introduce the economic planning in India. In the year 1950, the government of India has established the Planning Commission in India. The Prime Minister has been designated as the ex-officio chairman of Planning Commission. The Planning Commission has some various experts from various fields such as finance, banking, industry, etc. The Planning Commission has been responsible for the functioning of the economic plan.
Hi, my name is Jay. I am going to explain features of economic planning. First is Central Planning Authority. Central Planning Authority in the country undertakes the economic development. It is also known as Planning Commission. It was established by National Institution for Transforming India, that is Niti Aayog, since 2015. It is a survey. A comprehensive survey was taken. A comprehensive survey was taken in a economy regarding the utilization and availability of human and natural resources. Objectives, certain predetermined objectives were based upon the Planning Commission that were realistic and flexible. Priorities and targets. Priorities were fixed according to the importance of each sector for economic development. Targets were concrete steps towards the economic planning. Mobilization of natural resources. Planning Commission required some materials which were mobilized by the various ways, such as public taxations, savings, public debts, etc. Plan period. Plan period varies as per the needs. In India, plan period is about 5 years. Continuous process. Economic planning is a continuous process. It directly aims towards the economic development of a country. Coordination. The state of the country also takes a part regarding the economic planning with center. The coordination between the state and central is ensured. Flexibility. Planning Commission ensures its flexibility for better work. It helps to work more efficiently. Now I request my friend Anvesh Nite to proceed further.
Means National Institution for Transforming of India. A 12 5-year plan is ended on 31st March. Then this plan extended by next 6 months. Niti Aayog was introduced in 2015. The aim of Niti Aayog is to national development with the active involvement of states. Formation of Niti Aayog is an innovative and remarkable step to reinforce cooperative federalism. Cooperative federalism means to solve the national problem with the national, state and local government. Then think tank. Niti Aayog is work as think tank. Think tank means group of experts gathered together by the government to solve the think tank functions. Think tank is a prepared policy in India. Niti Aayog is a think tank, and it provides suggestions on decision. It can
It cannot take a decision, but it provides suggestions or corrections on decision taken by government. It helps to states to address their problems or financial problems with central government. It involves shared national vision. It means for development of nation, states involvement is important, and Niti Aayog is the platform for it. So next, I request Shoaib to continue further.
As Ganesh said, what is Niti Aayog? Now we will see structure of Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog was amended on 16 February. The chairperson, first governing council, chief ministers of all states and union territories. Now all chief ministers of states and governors of union territories like Ladakh, Chandigarh, Pondicherry, etc. Regional councils. The regional councils, these will be formed to address specific issue to countries impacting more than one state. For example, northern region and southern region. Now third, special envoys. These will include experts, specialists, and practitioners with relevant knowledge will be nominated by the Prime Minister. Now Prime Minister appoints some persons to come and discuss in a specific topic, those who are expert in that particular field. Now organization framework. First, the chairperson. Chairperson of Niti Aayog is Prime Minister. Now we all know who is the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. Vice chairperson. Vice chairperson is appointed by the Prime Minister. The present vice chairperson is Rajiv Kumar, and there are 5 full-time members and 2 part-time members. Now, ex-officio members, there are maximum 4 members of Union Council of Minister to be nominated by Prime Minister. Union Council of Ministers like Finance Minister, Health Minister, Education Minister, etc. Now CEO, Chief Executive Officer. Chief CEO is to be appointed by the Prime Minister for a fixed tenure in the rank of Secretary to the Government of India. Secretary as deemed necessary. Now I will like to call upon my friend to discuss further topic.
Let's see functions of Niti Aayog. First one is shared national agenda. Shared national agenda means it involves shared national vision for development of nation with the active involvement of shares. Next one, states based friend at the center. Niti Aayog is a states based friend at the center as it helps to states to address their own challenges, and it gives consultancy support to states. Next is decentralized planning. Niti Aayog restructures the planning process into bottom-up model, that is from local government to the central government. Next one is knowledge and innovation hub. Niti Aayog works as think tank, and think tank is a group of expert peoples which research on this economic policies and helps to governance. Monitoring and evaluation. Niti Aayog monitor the implementation of economic policy and evaluate their impact and suggest some corrections and identify the weakness of policies. Next one is cooperative and competitive federalism. Competitive federalism means concept in which bond between state government and central government, or bond between states government, is known as competitive federalism, and Niti Aayog is the platform for this competitive and cooperative federalism. Next, I have request you to continue further.
The progressive and dynamic India. Let's come together to make it a success.
Now we'll see the difference between Planning Commission and Niti Aayog. First, establishment. Planning Commission was established on 15 March 1950. And Niti Aayog was established on 1st January 2015. Second, powers. Planning Commission enjoy powers to allocate ministry and state government. Niti Aayog is an advisory body or a think tank which performs the functions of allocation of funds. Third one, role of state was restricted to the National Development Council (NDC) and annual interaction during plan meeting. State governments are expected to play a more significant role. Secretaries or member secretaries were appointed through the usual process. Secretary of Niti Aayog is known as CEO appointed by the Prime Minister. Planning Commission had no provision for part-time members, but in Niti Aayog it has a part-time member and part-time member depending on need for time. Planning Commission had a chairperson and a member secretary and a full-time members. But in Niti Aayog comprises a chairperson, chairperson, full-time member, part-time members, ex-officio members, and CEO secretary rank. Planning Commission frame policy for state and tied allocate of fund with approval of the project. Niti Aayog is only a think tank and does not have the powers to frame policy. Means Niti Aayog only frame policies, but it doesn't have any power to do so. Thank you.
Explain the function of Niti Aayog.
Sustainable growth means maintain the economic growth without damaging any rate of growth.
Do you think abolishing Planning Commission and forming Niti Aayog was a correct decision? And why?
Explain 5-year plan.
Not
What is National Family Health Survey?
Who is chairperson of Niti Aayog? Who is chairperson of Niti Aayog?
Of India. Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi.
All clap for all.
I think having seminar was a very new experience. Everyone expressed themselves and many of them were lacking the confidence. Confidence वालों को भी कम था, तो शायद हम अगले साल उनमें और कॉन्फिडेंस दिखेंगे. और सब लोगों ने अपनी कंप्यूटर स्किल्स दिखाए वीडियो बना के, और सब लोगों ने अच्छा बोला. अनएक्सपेक्टेड लोगों से हमें सुनने को मिला, और जिनसे एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा बोले, और अगले साल इससे भी अच्छा होगा.
Very good.
As Maktumbi said, lack of confidence was there even in me also. I was also too scared, but it is very easy to sit here and listen. But when we go on the dais, it becomes too hard to express us in front of all. So I was lacked in myself. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. Very
यावर्षीच्या सेमिनारमध्ये सगळी 10च्या 10 सेमिनार फार चांगली झाली. प्रत्येकाने प्रेझेंटेशनसुद्धा चांगलं बनवलेलं, आणि जे कधी स्टेजवर येऊन बोलत नाही, घाबरतात, अशी लोकंसुद्धा येऊन बोलली.
माझ्या ग्रुपबद्दल बोलायचं झालं तर माझ्या ग्रुपनी सुद्धा मला चांगला रिस्पॉन्स दिला आणि इतर लीडर्सनी सुद्धा त्यांच्या ग्रुपची चांगली तयारी करून घेतलेली आणि प्रत्येकाने मिळालेल्या कन्सेप्टचा डिटेल अभ्यास केला, कारण स्टेजवर कोण काय प्रश्न विचारेल हे माहिती नव्हतं. त्यामुळे प्रत्येकाने स्वतःच्या कन्सेप्टचा स्वतः सेल्फ स्टडी केला आणि ह्याचा उपयोग आपल्या ॲन्युअल एक्झाममध्ये पण नक्कीच होईल.
छान.